Nigo balinsi ya morokerio ya Baibuli. Kigimo mwanchu murigereria na bwigo mutegereri egwe television ya Ndizi TV margo bengi ando cia soberete igotwa nyori rwange jideke 20 kurinde kende gyo gya salikire to sabu kwabera asingencho ya aiganaria manyete mangana bera tutoigana bokonyora beire gaiganaria asijiba hari togo nchukanana bokonyora ne bintu bya beire mna bya beire bya mono kigima asingencho yoko bomwegenwa nego soime yumurubiri obweke umbu yoto so bakachi insaiseto to enda mangana maiya and tumaikore na tokore chinsa inye igoro gobono bya mono kigima ando cia soberete siriroba ryegusi e county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira bya mono kigima na boigo bali isko ye county se chi county chibere broto abaliganiri na boigo nsengima bya mono kigima wiki eria etamwaroche gotwarenge county eria ya Nyamira aria senseme eria ye county muchi etauni ya Nyamira no twarenge wiki eria kigima asomoro bili korokwana ekeumbu mashinani entundeye igotogosoka isiko twasoka isiko twagenda na wiki egocha tigaturandira koroberia tubwatanie emirande iga na turabe isiko guchichinsemo ao chi county ya Kisii ni county ya Nyamira na tokoro morobelio yukuru isiko tai lazima twakora kuru nyomba oka byemono kigima bono asali tukuya rero tinde tinkole singa gichi nyinge na inde okonyora ja chire nigo tole no mweshimiwa Thomas Obahare oyo nigakuru ase ward ya basi Butangare uruse county ya Kisii yote turagosoria magendero ali aberega gokorwa aroro usaberega gokora sigeka kimiaka ebere yaberege gweta gwikaboniga na boigo tokosorie igoro ya siasa chi county ya Kisii na aliagendrete ime yense ya Kenya egwika chinsa inye chobutuko ubwarero igobono togendale twaliganira kigima nchini konkoro kwa John Kibati yesimi yao na tuligereri borio onye kubata libodi yao tulikere gwetera sesimi na bwigo namba ya WhatsApp ne bekire goroga bugenda Facebook olike Ndizi TV News Digital na bwigo YouTube na rotonyole buna Ndizi TV News elinde tokwa na buya kigima mushimiwa wire buya marawo bengia
wala soko nyoro
na bikunyarikana ebintu bibere bitatoiga na bokonyora nga byabeire gaganaria chinze cyabera kini gentege n'abasongo bagota ba better late than never iko gwahikire na kyoendrede
biande binawela binof media
yes inki ko sikia beteke begwa serati kuruze media
yeah sometimes na wakora kira wakora the self introspection
kweli ligereria kwe unenkia inki na ki ejinga kichonse na kichabeire what has been happening so far
nothing much
asole ayo manyene
nothing much na ila netengara kirake kurari gelinga na kibintu bikogenda nakirinde kuna mwanda ngiria na tayanga it's been a while
baminto
mbuyangira ne tukwane
togosoli igombia sana mbia togendrete na intwe twene gusuguma tole rugari ururinde egasio monene atoire mbia mono kigima bono kurwe chinga kichene myaka ibere yaitire in fact to soko barabije ne ugatato twasoire ikiagara kuru chitalikisano nese to cyo mutinyo gatano gatatu paka 2023 uno mwaka yomo paka bono 2024 mutinyo 8 chitaliki 8 limu achoretwe ine myaka ibere uchakirobo na limu akuna miro mwaka gatatu agaro ko bara calendar years lakini soko bara physical years go financial years nabo nebere bono lene nakitota katura aligerie report kati yao kere myaka ibere ro ya alire Goi katra ko unengia na ki baminto mweshimiwa ngikwa kolire and you are amongst the abaraya basaye na inde tunde ye nigo to kale kobera basaraya basaya kongumono we are very serious with them ekiagera barabutro chimba chikobera ko mutwa myaka mengi bali bande bakoregi myaka ya chire in the next 20 years go 15 into kababwati igo bono ko ikatobere abarayi bali barabasaye munaye akonsane kiagera nkonya arore interact na basai banda bange ande na bange ba ukoligereria bona nagiye ko arto ko barangiria twara ababuli amabuli elinde bali baroche bate abana na kibaro chimtu bigendrete bono so far tangu turachakira sensemo ya magendrero kieranga ki ngaite naye twakorete interview ga there is no much konyara yakorekanire ekira no nijibesa mu akorete mu abwate njirije serikali yentangani injekera twakorete na interview konyara kindi konyara nge gwakorire bono I believe nga ebintu ne binge bya korekanire kuenseme turachakira no nensemo yijibara gocha kolengana nijibesa kwa irwe na magendrandi gwakorere gocha bakabona
First John that kore kebisha mo MCA tali ko handle we send ya county.
Yes.
Ega sio mo MCA we do proposals ya budget making.
That's right.
Once to a 3 budget yeri the person implementing ya magenderero.
Yes.
No mo governor na executive ya wa ko procurement wa kumanya wa identify who is the contractor.
Yes.
Ndiye contractor go on site and all that.
Yeah.
I've realized what the memory ingia. Last time to Arengega,
yes.
We were talking about the financial year 2022-2023.
Yes.
In that financial year, what ya was witangare because talinche na arenga budget ya arenga
yes.
We didn't have much. Also mwako yogo etete 2023-2024, we've been able to do and I want to appreciate the county government.
Yes.
Also speed up implementation each project each. There was a hospital yanchandete sana ya Kiongongi dispensary.
Yes.
At least nyakitari ya installed 2013. Kulia tagadu foundation 2013. Mpaka bona tuaso ya 2024.
Yes.
Na linaro chenye nyakitari ya sukire.
Ya sukire siya ikire. Hope going forward in this financial year when
we will go into the supplementary.
Yes.
Gonye bekere tori chibasa chinde nyare go suka.
There is also nyakitari ya ito ya Rio Bara. A few renovations there. I want to believe I will be able to invite Mugavana at Igori in the near future. And then in terms of HPR, we've been able to do in this financial year, we've been able to do, I think, 6 roads. In as much as there is a section, a contracted tomorrow Mumia. We have also done para ya inamba Kegamire. We've done para ya Matongo, inside ya Nyabuku.
Yes.
We've done para ya Mosaraba Nyambunde. And then there is a road Kuruku Edira. Esokotenyo.
Yeah.
Those are the roads Kirchiakoru.
Yes.
We have one road Etarakoru, ya Rengese financial year.
Yes.
Ya Nyamawa Mission. So Kegetacho, and Nyamawa mixed primary.
Okay.
So Kumaranga. That is another road which Okoru.
Yes.
Last year. Among each projects Rengese financial year Eta, Chitarakoru, to about a class as a polytechnic ya Saint Kizito, side ya Rusinga. We hope a contractor ya etu class will be able to complete it.
Okay.
In time, maybe by the month of November.
Yes.
The class can be very completed. We also have ECD, Yarenge Yamawa, Yamawa mixed primary, Metengaro mixed primary.
Okay.
We hope Navarro ECD class chair won't go ahead. Nechibasa na chile rende county government here inana.
Ndete tura kwanira asese mu yijibara na ende tura aligiriria samangana to tebe se ekiera kirogo tebanga Mheshimiwa of course tabwati besa chia yetu atebe na kia gutumika akoegwa tubwati World Development Fund okoremeremo ebinte bya aye no kuru proposal elimo through public participation elimo koleta na bananchi.
Yes.
Obe kechi bare jinga gocha somo murai we counting aki ekira kinta neye sometimes na boko nyoranga muigwana ini no mugabana go se tolino no so mo ne kwende tokoroka mwelekeo oliyo mugabana atagede. Sometimes they go kobera difficult muna yana raro lire mori that nore outspoken no muntu gukwana no tebe na chibara chiao chia kolirwe you are the same level na bantu bali osina ba MC bali asomolengo bu mugabana.
I believe so. A county government never the structures.
Yes.
Sometimes in as much as siasa nko chere ingilia mangana magendero, but I believe a county, the manner in which a county is structured.
Yes.
Within a budget.
Yes.
Oben anore in agreement, no mugavana was in agreement, ne actions to mugavana. Everything to be within the budget.
Okay.
Mugavana is mandated by law.
Okay.
Because this is public money. When projects are done in Boitangare, project for instance within the ward yomo MCA,
okay.
So Mugavana tabuati right was say tabuati powers. Chioko delay, yani chioko tevanga projects chia
committee njira gitega njikoro.
The only thing that happens, which is CSR,
yeah,
they can only delay a process of procurement.
Okay.
could be delay.
Eh.
At the end of the day,
Okay.
those projects have to be done.
Okay.
Because this is public money,
Mhm.
and public money never at the modes on now to make.
Okay. Good. Okera goteba igo report ne twakoraga ga yo MMC yomo kuruga gi county ya Kisii nere semo yijibara bantu bagonya kuoga bagoteba na yaya njiraro sigo nero teba na ande yake ne umugavana nero gukora mangana procurement umanya kugenda gari ndoreta contractor ya so gari how long by how far turatebe na onye nikibara cyale korasugo by how far delay era korwe mbakero rekane na at least iga there's something behind it.
At this definite time, you project it. If a county is fast enough, project the budget, for instance, the month of June, if county are fast enough, procurement
yes.
By October, we should be seeing projects rolling out.
Okay.
That's a count that is fast enough. But because we've had few delays here and there, sometimes only with the project is last year.
Okay.
So there has been a delay. But a delay, for instance, a vocation in Abubasi, that is intentional.
Okay.
A contractor by bad luck, akanyara gusira.
Opol.
So but the process you change contractor.
Guchumungao.
Ero ya gara to katware delay.
Okay.
Nechi para gokoru. Then there is again experimenting His Excellency but I think he's done away with it. Contractor yamaya
Merimo.
Chipara chi constituency. I think that also worked in the negative.
Okay.
Contractor when you contractor iru chipare chi tabu capacity.
Machine chisa ine. Nona abantu baisa ine. Good.
Umuntu kubegure
blame. No more MCA.
Yes.
But Tomo MCA kubegure blame has got no direct control on how procurement is done,
okay.
how awarding of contracts or tenders.
Okay.
So the challenges on that aspect.
Okay. But ajene kyogo kera kwa ikira none case study nako sometimes you don't understand. Correct. Rama eteno MMC ito nerto aite kurende kerto ko kubra to ko buli placards na ya toko mheshimiwa Thomas Obare tara koramire na obago chakero mo report aite go chakente ketanga ningo mheshimiwa ito tara kolemere. How do you make them understand? Ekiko bateba ba manyana taliaye procurement ne kolire binto bire igagati gatika chibesa nchiraru go next checker. How do you make them understand?
I want to ask you you the media.
Yes.
You people understand the roles of MMC. Actually, there is a time I had issues in Negesa. They had put messages when they could quick about the program. Of which the process and I would report do you know the roles of MCA? And he was not able to answer. If you can be able to define the role of MCA, and remember report news, it is not the role of MCA. Mine, I have no money. I have put that money in the budget.
Okay.
So if there are delays from the county, it is the role of, it is the delays to county, not to MMC.
As a report, you go at the point of reply, quiet, Kiagara Abantrava, yes, more get a Kirindego, Catolio Mogavana, and to go MMC at Evanagi, according to you, Evare a budget, a grown of alcohol in a gi to Ranye Veka. Lakini Kwanye Veki, like delay a zero, Abque. I was not given point of reply. I put this road as a budget. Yes. Stage what the problem? Okay. So I want to go man. You go to no robot. Yes, but that is one challenge. Yeah. It is a in that. You're at the basic level. Yeah. Kabisa kile kitu kumnoko boka nayo na boko umera. But there is no resource you as a person to control. Yes. You have no money at your disposal or even few repairs. Okay. Even if there is an emergency, you as an MC, you have nothing. Apart from you have nothing because you receive a few coins. Yeah. We've been pushing, and I wish that one time, if devolution is to work,
aba bunge baya ba MCA gento kero Ward Development Fund
na hana ntego cha bunga
tu ale gento buna CDF na baro baranyara ku manage the wards.
Okay. Get konye.
Ekinge konye because now you will be able to influence.
Okay.
Naki at what level mbwangu kinone for instance when there is an emergency mbwangu ki
ora minyoke.
Ora anyare ku minyoka.
Okay.
Lero igane whether you have an emergency an MCA has nothing apart from maybe his personal funds.
Karena kori cinta vicini na ba MCA I find you different. For reason oga teba na munere na for sure mo MCA tabu ati anything again takaro gera kore no go beka magendralia rai asira ini no nya anyori rukuru se department yeli go se county then there is nothing which people should know
that is how it is. You see a problem to buata si abana siasa tu anje tupunga indeli.
Okay.
For instance, say para ya koru na chana te antonga na muroji na kolire pega.
Gitu kasi kore ta ene mo.
Ichineji besa chino, the only thing I did I na te bang ene priority mutagete koru.
Okay.
I have no money. Ichibuno mo MCA ngo kolira para. And then
ke ganja kia onki.
Mo MCA tabu ati there is a notion ya very federal say county ya Kisii ngaba MCA babu ati 27 39.
Chirichikobe kobe kirukoru chitwa kwane to kurukale ayene project yokorwa
project yoko propose
yeah
buone ndagete neke and then it amounts to that money.
Okay.
Who controls the money? It is the executive. The executive ekora uno mugabana. So if you do not tell people living deviga and that is why John by MCA banke
yes
balika were elected because we don't tell people the truth.
Okay.
Kwanyoranga yokobugoli musigo
Otaliyo. Okay.
Ini ere problem to kwate.
Bueno, my train I'm going to bring some other questions in aquí. Yes, aba bekire iko ba tebiri abantu ngae ngo kolega toreke neke. That's a different kind of leadership. No matter obno bora ibonde boro ngao. Ikiara botu analire Msi achalia abekeli ukabisa tebene windevi ngokora tole ande tokorage bale na nyebekire ninche nkolega lakini ndaba na inchi batakire ko tebi kwego biamano mwana inchi yo andrete koligereria ase bali bagende to kolika ujumbe biamano kegima enamba yesimi ngaite Abigail no na ne namba yesimi abo abantu inde balike amaboli abo gocha biamano yo kuruguke fanyaribo agateba pamoja biamano presenter UDBKE Atawambiari kabisa woi kumbe kibati ulirudi I missed you bro biamo no ndawo no na kurangi mitinyita to kwenye ngayole mitinyita to biamo no kigima ayo kurwa jeria kirubo atabalise ni kurwa Manama Bahrain Kingdom all the way to my home in Kisii County biamo no kigima wananyo kubwate libolio omweshimiwa to bwate gakuru kwa Honorable Thomas Obare igakurwa kurwalie se wodi area ya basi boitangare to gendere to kuligiria record which maheganga ki ninki kia korekanire ase wodi yaye asigeka kie miaka ebere ya etire kreto miaka ebere financial year ebere ya etire na kia beire gakoroberia emiroberia magendero gwikira boniga na rija korekanire ororo ngigetara korekana na indi birengererio korengana no gukwana n'abantu baye ninki batagete gukora ensemeria na gwikira boniga ninki kigendrete bono mwishimiwa turakwanire nsemu y'ikibara gwatebire njiro cyarosigwe na ndi njiro cyararosigwa mune bari gwatebe iyo gwakwanire twase radio was it a priority ukanyeba nkira
that road is a priority and actually is one of the roads chingeta a lot of headache because ekero wetorona na bogu feeling abantaba mbagu atipara.
Okay.
But now you've put it in the budget. It has not been done. The contractor yetu, you did not even have control na contractor kwetu. Osirire mungao chire. There is a lot of challenges MCO kutwara.
Okay.
Actually, we went there recently, some more PS information, and they had a lot of questions in what is happening.
Yeah.
Hopefully,
and the county has also put money there. Hopefully, that road will be done to a good standard.
Ayiga siabo no gote yaba na inchinga nebe kiralia na inde murobulio no bro. Tiganda kobolia. Do you think MCA should be given by baga yogo choromo contractor? No takeire ko onye ne bindone wodi ya obigo korwa. No roje ngango no takeire ko tebigu o be involved na ningo ko chakocha se wodi ane na ningi ya kora na yo chore perhaps ne ne ire mirimo bwangu.
The last regime, MCAs had a bigger say on who was doing what in their wards.
Good.
As in the last regime. But the manner in which a county is designed, an MC is an oversight officer. You're not supposed to be involved on how but now ANC has authority.
Yes.
People do not understand those processes. Abantu naye bakubuligana ki chibe para yitrato sele. Abili abantu bamaite ngoko ya kuchibesa.
Kwajiko.
Kwajiko rosi.
Abantu bamaite actually naye ogochorana ne contractor, which is not the case. I believe that in a functioning system, me as an MC, I'm not supposed to know.
I should only be coming to check. It was proposed, has been done.
It has been done
well.
Yeah.
But now we have a system where things are so slow. Where if you are given, for instance,
latitude yoko chore contractor nganingo, you can be able to look for a person who has got capacity. My thing in 2 to 3 days, the machinery,
yes.
That is how an MC should be able to come in.
Okay.
For instance, more contractor,
he did not have capacity. We have had to look for a different contractor. Those are flaws in the procurement process.
Yes.
But if those flaws were not there, it is not done to standard, complaining, that is how it's supposed to operate.
Bono numnaba MCA collectively. Akara muaro liro muchando no roro to the same ya procurement olio bere procure them to biaye tabwa capacity saine. Unech committee che Bungei County. What do you say? Do you write a report? Who do you go to? Who do you go to complaining na umonto tobwa ate ground ero to nyoliri mpaka tangi binto bia ikira nitekera kile project na ile timeline. Yeah. What do you do?
No, we through committees, for instance, the committee roads, we proposed and we have argued. Mangana yegaye contractor yamoka uchiparachi nyingi, we've said that is not right. Hopefully the governor will take that. We have also questioned on the speed at which projects are implemented.
Good.
Like we have also asked, we hope in this financial year, we are learning.
Okay.
We hope that in this financial and the next financial year, projects will be done within the specified time.
Okay.
Because who do not understand the processes involved,
okay. Tutigane ne mangana yichibara kiagara rende butambe borabugen tokorora nona sa mangana maiya ne para eju na kitoko nyera uzito sana na ki nkio mheshimiwa gusa akolire na ndo maitaba na inchi itoko ne rugeria bana inji na ki mheshimiwa nki akolire we don't know na anda kitabu ativesa koboko jibasa rinchi abwata mangana makongo gagese county ya Kisii njira cyale kwena nu chinde kaleta chibura huru aiganaria ajirende na ki ensesemo yao na kichiena ni rororo and then na how far so far na ki mangana yiji basari alise word yao
because of siasa ya Renge involved
I chose to avoid the exercise and I can tell you that the results in Renge.
Okay.
Today we are having cases of bursaries. We are
having
cases of those who are given those bursaries. That is the challenge the cases I'm handling in the office.
Okay.
But they opted with
okay.
To different
people. Ukanyaranga wase basa lili kile 3,000
which was a serious mistake. Going forward, Njengo request His Excellency because we know
yeah.
I have got 6 applications. This is how we want to go with it. But when you realize His Excellency comes down to the ward going on a bursary,
that is a law.
Okay.
That is a law for him. He should allow Gigi Basari at the stadium at level Yansa MCA. Give it to the MCA to do it. Because county officers, wasn't a ward admin. Ward admin does not come from, most of them don't come from those wards. Ward admins do not understand the politics within the ward. So, when your mistakes, they will definitely appear.
Okay. Lakini ndio maana makosa spina yako wiki ruma ite. Kira bantu baito romba maite na ande yake ngwa interviewete no kwa ngweji basari na ayo moneno obo maite na ba complain na ayo by the time ujo kubatena tali yayo le responsible yako very romu chando sana.
For me it will be easy, era very easy saying one. The forms were brought by the governor.
Okay.
2, the checks were brought by the governor. So how do I come in with my MCA?
Influence did you put?
Which influence did I have?
No.
You go study by basari.
Say you go study. Yeah, record wake.
Yeah, you take credit, but now it has gone wrong. You leave the person who brought the checks to take blame. Because one, Chifom, na ekwara na ekwena. Chifom chirani dugu, ward admin ya ward admin is directly under you. Chichi asirire, chichek na ekwara, chichek chi asirire. Why should I take your blame?
So it's you are saying
let MCAs be in charge of their wards. Let MCAs do the work. You identify, you can ensure the bus exercise runs smoothly.
According to what do you think in local people?
You know
the amount here
Day school fee is around 7,500 to 9,000. When you give someone 5,000, so we cannot say a basari so I understand we have a basari. With 5,000 yechiga, mwana korte mwaka.
Mheshimiwa, mugabana gutwara basari. Muwimerere gutwara basari. Kwarorire. No mubunge. Na muraibenze nere gutwara ari endo getariga. Suggestion ngiri cyaba kikorwe guna cyebese yebe kwamo we Minister of Education ya ever free. Korengana naye bitango kyoro cyegoze mbinto kibi bitabe bijego simbi positives na negatives cye system ne ituse kokenda abo basiko uru cyebese cyo speaker cyari kibe kweke anchekemo.
It is a good idea. You will make education entirely free. Okay. It is a good idea. But if it will not be entirely free, kuruhusia basari will not be doing justice which is
okay.
Basari is to some extent I know few people were it not for the bursary
school.
Yes.
So when you remove this bursary, unless you want to make education entirely free, the bursary a bursary is very sensitive. And through that, we've been able to have few bright people excel.
Okay.
The only time that I have a bursary is nekere make education entirely free. Ngakero mwana Kenya ngima osoma free.
Lakini system yoro jitogo tumeka muna kwa kwana. Ya orokiri enjira gitina terigo ikere the intended purpose. Ikiagara karego tumeka nondego bali batali go nyike yali sebwende. Yani enjira ne togo tebana ki ibaga kibese chizgunya kokwa boko to noko ichire gisirregatia mbuya to chire gatongekemo elinde ebese ye gusire ranjera etokana nanki ngoikere gari kere go sugumurimo go jize Minister of Education directly bagali yo konya koyegwa magoko amangi to keani magoko.
The problem ya vete you see a bursary is supposed to help the needy of the needy. Bali batali kwenya rapi awata kere go konyu ne bursary. But now tukaleta a bursary kabe political tool.
Yes.
You manage siasa yago maitenga
aliko namba tenga jiragete
ngena ne bursary bafuasi bane iga ana bawo ko. That is the problem to buate. If you can be able to remove the political aspect, you could say bursary bursary is a very good tool yo konya abana b'abantu abataka.
Okay. Biamano kigimo mwanchu muri lianto gendrete gusuka abusyo bono twara gore nseme ye bursary twara kone mbiere asande ne bwate float chiaye na ngire ko enano number of chichiro bwate buona wate mirego ujibeka se mirogriye project kiraro si nseme yo
we do chiro to bwate yemo elemeja ne chiro yeto yegare.
We have tried to seeing an street lighting within that market in this financial year and the subsequent financial year. We hope to have back streets in that Chideri, Chikoiguru. That is what we've factored as a Manganaya development in Chideri.
Jamuli Kamuizi, the other one, Chiro Banchi Tesana.
We totally street lights within a Chile because it reduces crime rate in the wind.
Among the back on Ching Bagatin Seto. Ichiro what name you could what?
To what the Chile a major. Chichin there, mine of Liobara, we have a small market there. Somewhere in Yambunda, but they are not active. But the major market, what Chile.
Okay. Durwo, to ende sense mo sports na roche kakini na roche kusini kwa bwate ke kompegete. I don't know. Getting kwa bwate ke kompegete. Tournament ni kwa bwate kwa kubeka. In general, samangana yaba sae. Dabora nyoto bwati budget nyingi na bintu binde lakini ngo muneke kombe kwa begete. Na njirende na kikwali gere. Maita basa they are very desperate. Nige karoro je bali bara. And bono murai uri bago na bono maita na yo kwa bwate mechande menne muno mo MCA. Kera muno koboka muno gonjo kana ne ujugodi weta iga na iba kumira kila lituko. Anything sports in terms of basaya mura basaya basubati.
For the last 2 years, I've organized a tournament, but fully financed by myself. We have won the tournament 2022. We have also had the tournament 2023. Hopefully, in this year, December, we'll put a tournament for the young people. We've been able also to support team Chirichia Basai. We give them kits, but I believe much has to be done. For instance, Mangana ABT, Tatakiro ABT with a standard. Again, Tokende. There is something I'm working on. Going maybe around October, November, where we can have something like a resource center.
Okay.
Where we have a few computers, we have the Wi-Fi, whereas young people share ideas. There's a lot of work online.
Yeah.
Before MCA, I used to do
online writing.
Exactly. So I believe few graduates are veteran or
Asibago Swagoji.
Nabotowe Karansa, you want to when you're in a month, Montoros 20-30 KI.
That's that time.
More than Koba.
I go to anything.
So it's something I'm working on. We have identified the office, we have set up the office. What
computer, internet.
A few computers, so that you find me in that office, or what we can be able to do.
Neji site chiribago genda na bantu niji account chiribago igora elinde baligire banyole chibese.
There is money chibese anchire online. But now how would you go about mbakonyole chibese chu mbakonyole muntu manyete.
Akoro kereli. Asenze me whatever tournament chikobe ko muchi mwabeka meeting ya December. Mushimo chiri nchiriko konya. After mwa kulire iga basaya bali bachiri kuchali. Onye taka nyora mwendelezo. Ochiali anyora na club kanda nje kuchiesera kusikende. Irimuna gwakora iga. Mangana hiyo ali. Is that helping really?
It is not helping, but what we are doing yane. Usually karatonye bwate. There's a friend of mine who works with GT Mujito. We make sure
talent
scouting the Mbaroro. From those tournaments, we've had a few people back who join a few clubs.
Yeah. Banya kuscoach bocho. Bia maroke kima. Sengani igwa kwa na igoro ya mangana IT na nini murahibu nsene na ateba na ngocha kobika ari gusine internet ye utumeka estima yani trojenchire ye boni kama titokora internet. I mean, you know, Safaricom Starlink ya chane nini vitu mnevi nera na tebanga batumeke chinkuruche usine connection ya estima gocha koina ne. Do you think you according to karakolengere along that line nechuko konya basai in one way or the other?
It can assist, but now tutaweka jina tayari chake yani.
Wow.
This is something I'll give my commitment.
Okay.
Mbagait. If in every previous serikali iko tayari kwa materialize well and good.
Okay.
The only thing is, how do you identify and how do you train? Are you able to come to the grassroots? Because now within town centers, are we able to come to the grassroots? I've had a few people graduate. You know, it is very sad because I Konyoro Montari wasted come to me graduate.
Why chana sana nanta iko abantu muno mukia. Kugo kwarana. Bro yo abwata masakara era kino alensa.
No alensa. You know, you will not get any motivation na yo korebidi.
Yes. Lakini alikubuliga. Muchando Genesis noro. Ano muchando you all hetu asengencho. A problem ni wakwana. Abasae bakoriji school. Banyorenga kikasteyo meremoteyo. Na indi sometimes inkomperera kong ekero abantu bagote buguna etome ekero te yomusa etome musa uya sarwete no ebule momboyo osebwa onetiwe paka agachire school okore school bono alisiko na ndo makomote ine ki ekarakalie etome ngayengo etoma goja no ne capital teyo no ne computer mne igwate abo onye tuya chigo twale kerengeri kyo chaki singe njoro musa. I know aba mziembaro bali miaka even 60 years because 50 they can't think of that. Ekigara manyiti na ndaye wakolire online writing na boko guide some people mbamanyiti na kitoji kokoro mujando Genesis ekera turaera no ne enchire ba goma bakaleto mujando Kenya turaera igo baende umutimoko mbali njira koirana kolengana ne birengere bia na kitura kore enganeye egera basai babe busy somewhere.
Mate me I don't think the category agency, but I support their aspirations. Clear reasons as to why I watch the street, but what even a clear way out of the problem we are in. They are asking very simple things. Follow the law. Do that is right. With Kenya ni country with a lot of resources.
Yes.
Non-employment.
Okay.
Because you realize we are exporting labor.
Why
don't we create those industries within Kenya?
Okay.
We have got a lot of minerals. Why don't we process these minerals within our country? By the time we process these minerals, we'll be creating employment.
That's right. The
problem about as a country is purely corruption.
Okay.
Money has been set aside to do something. That money have diverted.
Okay. Bia mono kimatikantigereka mushimiwa sebono ntagete turaendo mutumoko mokeigo ndo chishatirida kaibere bechinse to chabono mugoroba tondo mutumoko mokeigo ngire nena mangana majia danya akangita kamero ngiberiga tumakwera na mushimiwa sentunda yo mwalio tukwanire siasa ye county ya Kisii Nyamire na boigo kenyingima igo twara chakira semo ya development ekere kine kigerenge kanene nkikora cholire buna omuraiwe ewodiri abasu bitangare ikatwara kwa development ritangani tumagwe bono politics kabisa etuangane kabisa bakatukore chinsa inye igoro igobono tiga trainde se studio ya kabire tukoirena itosoya samangana maya ende tumagwe koirena na inde ego chasekingisigi kabire kyomurubyo ubekumbu emaragoba yabono nche igonkuru kwa John Kibati mushimiwa Thomas Obare kurwa hali abasi bitangare ward ime county ya Kisii.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi. umurigiriria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugukwiraniria ng'ambia muno asoko genderera guturigiriria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubirio yaitu yonsi chinsemero ngeberenenge bono onye kende giakorekanire asekenyuru kiao ekiotagete utumanye asubwango mono abwonda isi reke nambeye asesemi yao enoti isano na ibere inya isatu isano nemu ibere isatu isano na isatu isano na ibere eyemo erioto akire n'abasaki baito baikasuri na kubekora uboti ubwo asembeo emesa y'amangana maya ya Ndizi TV nereyo kwabekire simu yawe ime Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi.
Uyamono kigimo mwanchu murigiria ba television ya Ndizi TV magaro bengi yakero echaragire jinso isato cyabona magaro bekine cinsa cyura gongoro wa Afrika ya mocha ekero tugendrete byakingima nikingise ya kabire ekyumurobilyo bwinsa ya kabire umurobilyo bweke umbu emagaro ba yabona byamono kigima tindi njibwe kahani gotole nawo yokurukwanganere Lydia Mose kurwa sinchira yumuntu wabwe byorokeryo rero koletera mangana maye kurwense mejo producer yumurobilyo yo abwe koletera mangana maye kurukwa Abigail Nyanchama bono ntubwa tikende tukuganya nigo togosoaye mo ase amangana maya emarogoba yabono inche nigo kurukwa John Kibati kubatakana n'icyugoma icyo cyabereye kigo kwanwa ali yasenyegitari ya Gesima ime county ya Nyamira unenyegitari eyo gusa machine gire senyegitari eyo nigo kisalegete cyonsi bono nigo omo clinical officer kurwa senyegitari eyo eso kiriye na gukwanira igoro yenga neyo kigima asatebire buna kigima kimashini chindembe yakire nelia ya x-ray yoka ebwato muchando kinga ekyo obaboliriye abana inchi bense meyo kogenda gwikasinya gitario na kwenekia barabuboka abanyine musagito kurose county Nyamira Paul Kapukara nigo atarire gitario na ukwarigirira roboti rukubwatia asenchira yubukirano
kubwatikana munie chinkuma na jimashini njiro asinya gitario ya Gesima hecho chisiekeire nigo mu clinic office abanya gitario gasireta Elizabeth Mbuya aesokire na kubeka kirario nga mashini nchiyo chisiekeire.
Hakuna mashini yenye imefungiwa. Kila mashini sahi cooperation isipokuwa hiyo x-ray ndio nimekuambia ndio imefungiwa tukiongojea mpango wa serikali ambayo ilituambia inaenda kutuletea mashini nyingine ambayo yenye inafanya
agukwana monegeta sene kegani gagendere ko bahaga kwenekia nobukorere bw'nyagitari je igambo gendete na kubulia abananchi gotarda nyagitari je iga elikwenyorera ubuwenya
watembelee hospitali yetu. Kila huduma inapeanwa na zile zenye hatuwezangi tuko na referral yetu huko Nyamira penye tunapeleka kesi zetu ama kwingine penye ugonjwa angependa kufanya nini aende.
Iko boiga gendere ko bagakubenyoria nga nyagitari nigo yakinire wikekerengo kilikia level 4 asebono obokorere bw'nyagitari je iga bugwakanirwa bunakwerera
level 1 level 2 level 3 hailipishangi. Lakini kwa level 4 hospitali yote ambayo ni level 4 hospital inalipishanga na siku hizi tunalipishanga digital, sio mambo na kulipa cash, na kulipisha ni through PayPal ambayo ni digital, ambayo kila sub county hospital ya hospitali ya county Nyamira ambayo iko na hiyo huduma ya kulipisha.
Au kwana waigo ni gagendere ko bagakomenta buna mashini chonsi nigo chire emeremo gutatigaria ya x-ray asaba bulya abananchi gotarda nyagitari yiga ili kwenekeria barubuka abanyene.
Tuko na huduma za mashini mbalimbali na zinafanya kazi. Tuko na theater ambayo inafanya, tuko na ultrasound, ambayo ni picha. Tuko na lab services, tuko na services za watoto na services zingine.
Umalio ye ni gagendere ko bagagusegeta abananchi kubwatarana njira yamo yo gukinya enyagitari yiga.
Wananchi ndio watusaidia kujenga hii hospitali. Ndio watatusaidia kujenga hii hospitali, ndio iendelee kupandishwa, ndio hata tuendelee kuongezewa madaktari wengine, tuendelee kuongezewa mashini zingine kama za reno, tuongezewe na departments zingine kama za cancer centers, ndio isifanye kazi.
Iginko ripoti gitaseni kya wanchete kya Ndizi TV inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp Okara.
Gutikana na roboti uruo kurwese county ya Nyamira ko bwatikana na yagendera senya gitari eyo ya Gisima nigo tugusuka abusyo gosena inde gutigara se county eyo ya Nyamira kurwese nsemelia ya Burabu constituency ya Burabu. Umujumbe gwe constituency eyo ya Burabu muske Patrick Osero nigo abakira bamenyi be constituency y'ungambya mono asogo ikirana cinga kichiria umurayi wense muske William Ruto abetiga wikirana sensemeyo elio ego bakwanira nabo igo gukwanira igoro yemerubelio yamagenderero nyoro roboti urubo igoro yinganeyo.
Watu ya Manga nataka niwashukuru sana. Wakati president alikuja pale Kineni, mulikuja kwa wingi. The president himself called me usiku hiyo baada ya hiyo mkutano. Akaniambia pahali tumetembea yote hiyo Nyamira na Kisii, mkutano yako ya Kineni was the best. That is what he told me. Vile mlimchangamkia mpaka akatupatia hizo barabara. Nikamwambia watu ya kwetu hapa hawana maneno. Murojima bana mna wako na kuita na kuzilechi university bako amana. Mwenyewe chia hapa Burabu sisi ni watu ya amani. Na nataka kushukuru president vile alisema the Chinese anaanza kazi mid of this month kutengeneza hizo barabara za lami. Manga yetu kwa MPG. Yes. Ndio niliona hii Manga. Niliwapatia 40 million juzi. Niliwaambia juzi. Si contractor yuko pale. Nataka watoto wafike 2,000 hapo Manga. Washinde Kereri. Madam Mulio Keringa yule. Tutakukimbiza sana na Manga yetu, ngoja uone. Tutapata watoto 2,000 3,000 hapa. Ndio sababu niliwapatia hiyo pesa. Na DEB project nile ngoja kuweka by next week inaanza.
Ego tikana no roboti uruo kurwa se constituency ya Burabu ime county ya Nyamira nikutokana wikase county ya Kisii kurwa se constituency ya Kitutu Uchache South abasae kurwa se kenyorukia Gomba Siara imeji ward ya Nyakoe ni gobono bakora okurubikana okonene nsemeyo kubwatikana no gutaikiranirwa nimerubirio yamagenderero anene mono asensemo yichipara ayamagiga yokoba umusunteime asigika gitari egeke na boigo ebara gete ejubagane tiero sugwensemeyo yabeire kere senchira etalingi ya musukito dipo na sanya na ikirana ekerobalinge kurubikana na go alini roboti rukubwatia.
Eje netaro abasahe kurwase kinyorukia Gomba Siara imeye wodi ya Nyakoe rero na kwemurunganira abakoreri bwa magenderero kurwase abara ne omwemsie bwerogongorwe
Evans Mososio Soro ncheno momenyi obonyagatani Gomba ombe twabe tokorerenga kientambe omwesibi okago chayo toira chira epare yabe ire myakere menge sana ojaji agaike pare ye akarema agaikerinchera obangina babune kamo isonde para mwete gaiga abakabune kabangina batano fono ojaji obeto toire chira chinyinge fono yeto teto kusaba kwaito chibunge ya gusi to batebinga wansere pare ya chage to ojaji oberga go totebingo tolemerare ngochare ebiswali yago toliera
kuja hapa kwa niaba ya kuandamana kwa minajili Oyagi, mheshimiwa wetu MCA wetu Oyagi amelala katika kazi yake because one, alianza barabara hii ya Gomba, akalima shamba za wenyewe, akafungua barabara ikakuwa kubwa sana, akailima yote, lakini wakati wa kuweka ule udongo wa kuziba mabarabara akafikisha njiani, na anapoulizwa katika mazishi hapa vijijini anasingizia kwamba gavana ameweza kumzuia na amemnyang'anya pesa za kujenga barabara, ama sivyo?
Gomba nanya korra magendero gano na make na kina iga aba minto mutakombate cia para guatikeraira eno korusiara gumu etaraje to tachaboja eno korugomba rogoro eto tigira mataba igoro
ese murokoroseri gwa chipara nigo bareranga ebikoro byobusaria nigo byendete koneki gwa chinsemecho kubwatikana no kubura westima asegeke gatambe
transformer kakitu amenyere gesunta buno musiara tuachane gira bangina siari etiro bakorera na kitoka ronya romorero
bangina twanya korora magendero no nya stima ntubwati abana bagusinyira enga kibago soma marago bakore no emyaki yabo ekera bagosoka bakwende skuru epare saregete omugambi ogatoga chokarosie para okabekwa moro mwenu so gatiranje tware kugosaba igagaki oche otokorre para motora tare stima
gombe tole ntomanye tinga itoberete nona abana ntobwate basome tororo twanya korra bakorikwa abangina muna tole igeto chandegete ntwanya gokonywa
komenta na yweni go batekinike manyererio kiogota batayari ko bakorere mirimo buna omurayobo.
Leo tumeanza hapa na pale Iranda pia wanaongelea ya hayo ya kuanzisha project na kuachia njiani. So daraja nyingine hapa chini hapa kwa Muko ambayo inashika barabara ya kutoka Nyakoe Kioge kisha inashika Siara inashikanisha hapa Gomba. Hiyo daraja si imeanguka? Pale ambapo tulianzia. So hii imethibitisha kwamba Mheshimiwa Oyagi akuwa tayari kutushughulikia, akuwa tayari kutuwakilisha.
Gusangana gitaseni Kiandizi TV ni gobono bamuboririe oikerania chiri abeteka kambi na barabu banyale kokokera oborai bwabo.
Maendeleo katika vijiji zote 8 ya Bunyakatanyi sublocation ambayo mheshimiwa anakuwa akipiga kifua kuwa Bunyakatanyi ilimchagua kwa nguvu zaidi. Hizo nguvu ambazo tulitumia kumweka ofisini ndizo nguvu tunataka pia azitumie kuja kutuwekea barabara, kutujengea kila kitu. Hizo nguvu ambazo tuliamka na kina mama wote tukampigania akachukua kiti kutoka kwa mheshimiwa Hamisi. Tunataka mheshimiwa Oyagi, tafadhali, mambo ni mawili hapa vijana wamesema. Ulituahidi kuwa utafanya maendeleo.
Tukata bana bangaini pi korende tobwati monto ko bakonya sole tokonya.
Kuripoti ya Ndizi TV kuri kinyerogia Siara Gomba kegotoke wodi ya Nyakoe bunge ya Kitutu Chache South ilitera na nkuru kwa Dipon Asanya
Chinga kicho omo MCA bwe wodi jo ya Nyakoe Mheshimiwa Cosmas Oyagi nere nikakwa niringane yo kubwatikana na kiriyo kigendrete se wodi yo kubwatikana na Banyakonda bali babete bakoegwa emeremo no mugavana Elio Koyesukia Abusio era roboti ruboigo
epale bagate banga yale metwe gaterunjera inda we ya epale netigerenjera somo contract na ro etwe chipara cha Kitutu Chache South mo contract ko Leach Farm Construction waito chipare chiale metaga chitigeranjera mugabana omanyanara we ngo contract itara kole gas so naikororo bishari nabate bya munegasi yakorwa nabate baganye chipale chiongo bachire completed soon as possible mo contract already mugabana nagasaine ko mo pressure akole chipara manye kumwakana so mo contract atawakan para anye para traba completed ayon sina ba eresa na ndewe bae bato chinga kichinyororo chokorro chobakorregas chimno mo msenya kwa wodi aseta yongo kuna chibesa chikoro kuche project nje chiga egasiana ne manyire na ando already botame ko tayanda bante gasi yo MCA no ko represent abantu wa assembly na kuhakikisha oira maoni ya abantu bae na wone ngakiri ya public participation to kora ka tuwa public participation tuwa manyanga abantu baita magani abona ali abata to bakora so egasi enda ya kabere yo MCA no ko basai gasi enda ya gatatu no korosia machiko so amangana yokore machipara akora chi project chende Johnson echiranda executive aso mugaba naro musio inchemno MCA no wakisha inga chi project chana na beta se budget na akishire nga chi akore procurement na ande chi akore tendering ana akisha nga chi akore to the perfect level
Kotikana na yo kolema gwechipara se county gosese wodiria ya Nyakoi me county ya Kisii niko togosuka busyo oyo koboria ekirugo kyobo chumbe kurwa se bunke ya yebobasi Kelvin Bosire Kanyago ni gobona gendrete buyakire ko kigima kurenseme yugagukwana samatanga yamo yomunye nyimbo yomo oyo beteka gusiri obugima bwaye no mwana oye nigo atebiribuna nigale nekirenge kenene yo chakwene kyabuna na chikoreta amagendero a sensemeyo
nyite abangina ekeroko nyoro muntu agambe tukuru nyomba igo no isko na bako gamba talibo muntu bato mukunguna abana batu no mwana oitali gakya abangina no mwana ali tali chiete vuange ko ninye bangete nale goteba iga igorona etumu gako biri umweshimiwa challenge kama tebya toroserie para connect ba centro na nyacha kintu bwato bokomo onye para yako musinya atike kayaga yere meninde tayari kuyerema imwacha connect gara na nyacha ki inyarosi tumora kinga kayago ko rosu kurema 2027 ni ramya kubeka imwacha monge chinguru tafadhali ga tutotebyo mugaka yebono kaka yago ushauri kararo ofisi agenda kolero mu basiega talibo nteto gukora ngoteba iga asenga nchoye chiza umwana oyo sirire no mukisana nande ne engene yarenge gocha gokonya abantu saidi konyoro umuntu mu inspector the age of that intelligent to carry rice bari mu manyete mumande at the age of that intelligent to carry rice oyo no mwana mambi na mambiende oli gochigokonya arusi abantu akoleki gaki tunatokuruga iga nane nateba tunyore familia sana lakini ni manyete round yega ekijana na kigeko genda bunge nande kijande ekingiliande nkayaga nolemba libaroro batebi kekeje nkeru bali bagotebanga no mwana nyamenge yakoraki enyamenge yakoraki yakora otimaki lakini round yega ki abangina moto tobereke tafadhali ni numwatu ibolte moto ita imo kuibura na makoleki mwitere njena chile ko basorora nimbeke tenya sai bosio nimanya tengo koraro wancha kwae unangende to nyagotara iga ko basorora muko nganchira nsaiga na nyasayo ko ngakama kutakuru igoro 2027 mbakolerega staribia gakiti tigamba sabero molembe asimokwire na chinga chino nyasayo barene
biya mono kigimo mwanchumu ligele kreto ndete gusuka abusyo amangana bwanko igana alibuna eskuru ya baisike ya Isiolo Girls High School nerabono chinyumba cyuburaro cyabana banyaruka abeskuru ya Isiolo Girls High School na kirocho yo cyagwatirwe no murero kigima murero monene kigima uyobere go gisamba wikiraboni gatira amanyikana na ninki osenonde naro tigeru chingoma osenande onde nare osiriyo bugmagwaye wikirabono tiramanyikana kolende ntoga ndete kubwati oroboti oruo ntoko tebie samangana ito amaya kubwatia na ninki kegendrete kolende norobotinga eskuru ya baisike ya Isiolo Girls High School nigo yabwatirwe no murero ni nyomba cyuburaro eye magega yabana 15 na batatu babete bagusiria obugima bwabo asomorero ryo obete gugwateka aseskuru elia eyemo imeyense ya Kenya kurwaria ase county area ya Nyeri naboiko abana gwike 15 na batatu abarobwo bagasiria obugima bwabo ya Hillside Endarasha eyo yabete egego yanero chinyumba cyuburaro asabana 15 batatu babete bagusiria obugima bwabo kolinde yabono Isiolo Girls High School nturamanya robot go chime kigima bose undinaro tigeru ngoma kolende roboti oruwe gwikirana ntokomanye asenchira ijubo ime kigima pia mano kigima asokanda ko yeliri ya Ndizi TV emagaroba yabono ekiro toga ndete no murobilio obweke umbu no mheshimiwa kurwalisia ase ward area ya Basibo Itangare ime county ya Kisii mheshimiwa Thomas Obare bia mano kigima tikatoga ndaya mutumo komoke kolende tokwerena toga ndrebusio no murobilio obweke umbu inchini konkuru kwa John Kibati niko tuwabwatirana nere Lydia Mose kurwa sensemo yo munu wa bwimanyirio na boigo abi nyanchama kurwa sensemo ya kabere ya production bia mano kigima
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi omurigireria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugukwiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigireria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubirio yaitu yonsi chinsemero ngeberenenge bono onye kendegia korekanire asekenyuru kiao ekiota geto tumanye asubwango mono abwonda isi reke nambeye asesemi yao enoti isano na ibere inya isato isano nemu ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo elioto akere n'abasaki baito baikasuri na kubekora uboti ubwo asembeo emesa yamangana maya ya Ndizi TV nereyo kwabekire simu yawe ime omwanchu murigireria bwe television ya Ndizi TV mbiyamona sukoira chinsa chao na kurigireria television yao na mbegemo yomunwa bweke gusi bono onye kubwate nganende yonsi yukwe murungania woso komenta na bogo toikera asugo twakiresimi ase namba enoti isano na ibere inya isato isano nemo ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo gose otorikireri ukorike ase email ya ndiztvnews@gmail.com boigo na bugotonyora ase mitandao yaito buna Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya Facebook, YouTube nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na boigo TikTok nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na bo ogututarira sikia bisichito ekyo kirebo cyogwe kiro ya embassy ekeroko genda nyakoe ase bara ekurwa kisi kogenda Kisumu Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
Kunazo simulizi nyingi na za wengi ambao wanahitaji msaada.
Baraza is one of the stories. Baraza alikuwa analala nje.
Anasema ati kila mtu atafute kwake, alafu mimi naambiwa nitafute babangu tuende kukula huko.
Alirudi kucheza mpira kama kawaida.
Anatumwagia maji, anapasua vitu kwa nyumba. Alafu kuna siku nyingine hapa alikuja akafungia mamangu kwa nyumba, akaanza kumchapa.
Tazama Save Alive kila Jumatatu na Ijumaa saa 12:30 jioni ndani ya Ndizi TV. Tubadilishe maisha. Ayumwa njuwe getasini kia Ndizi TV na bogo tubwate witera senjera y'umtandao ya www.ndizitv.net ili kuturigireria na boigo usonje mirubiri yito chinsemero ngeberenenye nyoranka na bogo sonje witera sesimi yao yakoboko laptop smart TV iliyo wegokie Ndizi TV obwanso bw'omugusi.
Oburimi nobonda n'umuruburyo bw'ogwesemya na kwimanya iguru y'oburimi bw'ekerero
asa abalimi bonsi imeyaliro bali agusi nabeire ngo batebya nga oburimi nobonda naboigo oburimi nesiro nabeire ngo gotalia imeyaliro bali agusi tumera n'abalimi ao asto gusangana gukwana mange obonda bwensi ya Kenya nigo bokorwa ase ebimeri ao gati ebimeri ebyone kawa echae gati ebinde binge
imanye oburimi bw'amugondo obutugi bwetugo na teknolojia yekerero y'abalimi bande bagenderete gutumika na kubaletera ligesa linene na Mildred Momanyi
igombwatie imeyo moroberi bw'oburimi nobonda oyogotera butambiri tukolia chimaine ense monene usugo ikachinsa ibere cha magoroba ndocho koletera amangana mange igoro y'oburimi nande nigongo gotebya nga tekana irio tware oburimi obonene elindo onyara ko bagokora oburimi nabo gotwara ikigingege sinini kolende okoro oburimi bosomete nando nyigotete ndagere yetio kebuya elinde linayo igwe obote bwoko yeria endagere yo niganeti egetunguo kole para igochigwerte nganyare boyekire chinsaga
oburimi nobonda Jumanne chinsa ibere cha butuko no moiroroye ritukuria Jumatano chinsa isano ni mochia mugaso na Mildred Momanyi
naro producer yane mbwati twende baka somole mimbo boli na ki akora mabera yanyara ko baga gwansaiga
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
buya kigimo mwanchu murigereria na indi tweranira sekengese gya kabere kyo murubiri obwike umbu emargoba yabono eyemagega yogo chaka chinsa ibere igoro ejitwa suguma wika chinsa iseto na indi bono twanda samangana maya bono twasuri kingese gya kabere kya mangana yinkwana yitoye yamanse yemo aiga somurubiri obwike umbu kila litukula Jumamosi ebuna togokora onye bono nari gwasori mekigima igotore na mwishimi wa Thomas Obare unu MCA kurwa se ward elia ya basi boitangare twara gosoire samangana development kigima twasoy amangana development aliye akorekanire se account ward elia ya basi boitangare twakwanire guikira kizise to bintu bigende nse mu ikibara twakwanira amangana ya basai ne chigosori twakwanira amangana y'ichiciro amangana y'ikibara endo bintu twakwanire bitari bike bono turasoma ngana siasa kidogo ende turagosorie chigwika chinsenye tobutolero hororo na ende tuganye ewiki egocha igobono biya kigima ase bali basoire me boniga na bokwenda gutulikira ujumbe yaho ase namba yesimi eyo abigali yako bikeri gorogabwo na bokwenda Facebook tugotoka Ndizi TV News Digital yenda YouTube Ndizi TV News otiga ujumbe yaho linde tosome emargoba yabona mwishimi wana inde karibu ase ntundende ya kabiri iyo murubulyo ubekiyumba twaragosorie samangana development twakura kidogo bono according to you muno yo mobwa abaraibe county ya Kisii ngai county ya sukire ngai ya ikire in terms of development ngai toro chi kolengana ne birengere bya waye oh pole tueba konyira ni nyibe kango bia timadia ni yogete bia ndanga tunyi kole kabisa okay biamono mwisho tokendre busio iya
biamono liswali kombo ni liswali likomo kombo about development ya county
ingima naito gendre ngai twabeire ekero kurigereria gochakira maite bono to intune county chinde intune county ya Kisii ni chinga gijiri jamai ngai toberete
tingo yara kwanra torite tule mangana county ya Kisii injenjo luna ba menye ba boitangare so mine is only to kwanela mangana ali boitangare
lakini rende you are in this
but
county
generally I believe as a county we can do better in terms of development.
We are not where
we're supposed to be. Regime Yega gave a lot of promises which has wananchi. I believe that we have not, that is my opinion though, ndochenga ntora ikirania promises chilituete wananchi. And hopefully in these remaining 2 years,
yes,
we can be able to do something transformative which is abantu baito ba county.
Yes. Mbia sana. Kwarora bosegase gimbuli bugendrete kaigana no mo women rep kwarora no ni function chiaye. Timatigo se kirachiri buo na yebo ocha kwatergese giko na veriko. Kwarora bintu bigendrete galia. No murai wense kiragocha. Kero murai wense atoletera magendro na ringe gati metu sana chite constituency yao se ward yao murai wense kirachete.
Tajede boitangare babasi
mean
but then I promised in the next visit was in October. In terms of what has been happening to the women rep, we create the grand fortunate. It is not right to go and get almost what you say. It is not right. Na tinda ranga mong na donyo ko anything keragere umuntu ikaransa chako banga bamuranga genda mo akretonye yogi. She's among the 2 women reps, the third. I think she's done better than all of them.
Akero gutema ko babeka mo ko balire.
Kuba ligereriga sidonya ko na abaga baruri maega. Realize na donyo ko rega sie korrekana.
Okay.
Donyo ri mire bisima. Oira anaba mare mafu bidogo. Oina ni thanks to schools. She's visible. Korrekana ringa donyo is doing something. So instead of kumubangiranga to arwanbe, we should be able to support her. Agendreo kolega siria okora abantu baito ba Kisii County.
Lakini rende maite se siasa rone no manyite ai no mona siasa no maite nga asande na bonkwe bangira abantu baje bandame ndebe naye asande na bongo muntu ai na boko banga abantu baje bandame akero kuri lige nteke ngere asande toje twateba na sometimes na bokwera ama
Incholi na very
ground
siasa ya Kisii County ya Keigo. I can tell you what is happening to Donye Kira unfortunate because that year over VWP planned a different force, which is unnecessary. In my opinion, very unnecessary. And they telling a Kyo Banga Vinto Video Banga Karoko Chikura.
Yes.
For instance, 2027 young you will understanding popular. But now, do the campaign.
When
Donya is working, when Donya is taking, for instance, wheelchairs, which is Abalemavu,
yes.
Why should you organize a disruptive function? Yabalemavu. I regret the idea of Andabagos in your within Chitiagasi.
Bobesana.
You see, getting to Keramundata Kero condemn. And I don't thinking actually in the right frame in campaign. It's not the right time.
Okay. Ebintu binga munabiri. Okay, mbobesana ekero kuligirira na rende umurai bwenso chire. Mate ekera bagani bagoja no ninkali kirtwale gukina. Abana bali bagonya kutwara none mamiri gucha bako bera gutmaga osumwasi bigumwa biguchanga chinya. Itukumubwato magani munori omonene teriro lina inde mo chakoraki kongorana. Nkaite bicheli nembe sana. Taiga ukanonya mira ya rokanete lakini intumna barai bagusi noroche na is that the way to go?
It was a bad show. A show in Bekabisa etatake rekana. Also politically, and I want to compare what happened in the presidential tour ya Usi and the presidential tour ya Bogare.
Yeah.
If you could see how organized Abagare Barenge, you will see Nanogwana to Ariokara. Abagare, they were very clear to the point what they want, a lot of respect. November Limotalico agree with, there was no noise.
Okay.
Which is not necessary. Jengo Sababara, Ibaitobari senior, Tora Beka Siasa Kando. Tora miaka yevere tora korera bantu baitega 2027 yaro nombangera tinkorra
kirana na boko ndo bange kirana ege mina no more
2027 yaro mbangere ngogereru do not feel bad because one in siasa ndo tangana kinga kia siasa yekire na siasa yokoru
okay
one yanto siasa
Finance Bill 2023 ya muchi irani tukunkatene kigambero 24 nere yegire tu murai bwense Oskero kuligiriria kuru amangana agency ya sogete unjukana didense ya Kenya akana Mombasa Malindi Boikoyo Gusii bogere o promise bintu bietani tinone kibesa i budget yense ya Kenya no kagirite naga haki ngayo jokuru kibesa iki jokora magendra igero promise bintu binga into trillions of shillings it was here it was in Kisii no ne bitate according to you kobe genuine na inde ndwate bana basae bali you fall in igotoku kwa neke mine. Do you think even the Bimbikirana?
Much of them be Wikarana, how much will take time Wikarana. But the presidential tours, he was trying to pacify the country. The country can very volatile. He seemed not to be in control. So what the president was doing is Savali Chiga. Kinga is the one in charge.
Okay.
And I think to a greater percentage he achieved that.
Yeah.
Oniga is
the country is calm.
The country is calm. Everyone agrees, both in opposition and even the Gen Z, they agree that we have one president. So that is what he intended to achieve, and he achieved that. But in terms of the promises, some will materialize, some will not materialize, or they will take time before they materialize because of the financial constraints.
Na etikane na onjukana nite na ona bande ngote bale na bintebyo boka banyene mba mwaminete ngwaro cheka kubuli kwa mubuli bagatana ki muraibwense ayebweka bantu mba kwa minute ebintu gokwana ebire bingi ebinde ebire byo abakora bono muraibwense akali China abakari no mugabana bwe county eje na muske Raila Odinga na ndrete konya koligia rende ekerugo kya eyu ayem no muligeri bwa mangana siasa na yoro Raila naite
Tamo sabere daite
oko sabano ko nga mushimiwa no weta no ko nga
timbati no how yo
kwa chakere ko tamakoro ese point mushimiwa
one thing I believe Raila as a person, he has a standing, global standing. Edira Mubeke stage will compete favorably as a KUC. His only hindrance might be Abago speak French. The candidate here, Djibouti, you realize speaks those 3 languages: Arabic, English, and French. If we go that route, we will never convince Tobago that language. Another aspect is the age factor. He is at 80, we are at 50 something or 60 something. So if they go that route, but Raila comes on board with a very strong political network, which might be of great help to him.
Na asebachi eterende maite ntue abana inchi igotoko ni abararia nkobwata turamangana kurware are ngubwati tole mushene twa makonye bwati kuchimene niki maene nerororo kerokuri richize jiria abaisilamu factor nero igwate aba French speaking countries abaisilamu mbarororo abu mostly bataliko gochirana na Christians and such na ende ntora hare kidogo in terms kiranga tebakanere no kerobale ngoro kerobachi tukubiko mukutano ororo batagete abarai angebe chinse meronge biri na kianda mbaikira nitio bagate banga aiganse abande tole twachi tukwana mangana magendero ndochi tukwane ande harore kanirenga ande yake westfu of Chibesa ekagere interviews bibi of finance ne Chibesa chio mwananchi estate ya Kenya igobono ni chiko mobera ko tuira nenkaga igatura kwanira mahiga no nyumura ibinzo ubigita abantu kuruense mu ya ODM goso ase serikali abantu mbobwati ukwegere na mbachi go perform. Are you of the same mind na go same perform mbako nyara go perform? Cabinet secretaries ya babaru itense mu ODM kina Mbadi Opio Andai yabo Joho.
No, there is nothing unique Mbadi Agoreta to cabinet. There's nothing Opio Andai brings into cabinet. Abaigawa na banasiasa. They have been there. Ruto didn't put them. The president did. Because they bring anything unique. The president here abaite chigasiri pacify yani kuoro bintu. In terms of performance, but there is nothing Mbadi Agoreta to the table unique. We'll say Opio and I also Paranyo has been in the cabinet. The cabinet for a very long time.
I bet him to some planning and something.
Joe has been governor.
Yes.
He's been
nothing.
Assistant minister, nothing. So again, the yoga Ruta Cavaletta on board. No go to easily with the in the country.
Okay.
But in Jengos of a president, if you listen to the Gen Z, they had a very genuine goal. Fight corruption. Once we fight corruption and ensure Kenya will be a very good country.
Okay, as much as my bono mangana yabasa hacha na haleta mangana nda mangi pakano no deputy president jise ginji kendrete no Mount Kenya kendrete ere na majority leader Kimani Chungwa ni jise gichiri kuru nsemelia. What is the ngai torochi ngai bono stand ya Gachagua according to you na Euro Cheberata Gera 2027 into nata gete babuata 9 paka 2032 nanya aleko ko bicholi muno murayo yo bono bwense abicholi tukuru so muskewuru and weka kwetendera.
Whatever Gachagua is doing asari it's very good. One through these fights if you many people might not see it like Gachagua is solidifying Mount Kenya. And any good politician will want to do that. So that Nevanga 2027 by Chile by one in Naruto by Iride. Immediately Gachagua will start a campaign for president.
Okay.
He actually a script ya kogwati So Muntora and Gachagua know what he is doing. But Gachagua is doing very well politically. Currently as we speak in Mount Kenya. More than he was doing before
Asobo deputy president.
Because Boniga, kuja by kwa kuna umuntu kwa kwanira.
Okay.
the manner in which economy are performed poorly, the most hit people.
Na Waikuyu. Kiramba kwa investment nyingi.
Kashagwa koreka nanganko imukiaro mutuko kwana manganabo. They will fully support him.
Do you think uru factor ne jikoleto muchando usinerete oyo ndo muchando bakaboni ko yokoro kunganera gashako?
I don't really know, but Uhuru being a
former president,
now what the network he has got the resources. Ne miaka ya inoro chinemeke. Itari muntu ku underrate. From that itari muntu ranyara ku underrate ngatai. Ataka ko chanda na serikali na kwenye chanda because na what the network.
Yes. Na kimani chungu ngako tuwa mahali muraiwe nini gashagwa. As much as maite arochina ande yake asiko rusuko kiramba atavana kuna kuligiba impeachment nchine chinde ganalia na asako rusuko atotebe na ki baletri motion yoko rusuko deputy president nini ichungo na bwate capacity na networking enough yoko leta abantu amona anything like that iraga ide position yeyu. It's difficult.
As we speak, don't imagine a deputy president never impeached. Akana Kimani ichungwa tareke stage yoko
banu deputy
president. So Gachagua position ya watu boniga rais yora monyegeli.
Obero mo konkabisa. Fact ende to ujuko consider 2027 Raila base kwenda na Ruto. Where do we head ingona inde fosi ende mbara yorate barate mo gomoruche Gen Z's mbakolekende. What is the end game ya Gen Z's in the first place?
Gen Z is a creation of the media. There is nothing called Gen Z.
Okay.
But if you say you are readerless, you are
tribeless. Yeah.
Tribeless. You cannot do anything. And they
Murai.
And then babuate command. This is a force. And they didn't know when to stop. Baringa go ticket at the Mandamana ticket at the stage it was at the parliament. Kangumaka Boni against Serikali made the fear.
Okay. Kiramba made the next move.
Because Serikali made the next move. But now going further, the Mandamana Bakaba neutralized.
Baka dilute.
Bakaba diluted completely. Actually the entry of Raila as Serikali killed the thing.
Yeah.
So as we speak today, the fact that Gen Z influence siasa, it's far-fetched. Again, the about 2027 formations in most probably by next year, formation in 2027. Next year, end of next year, you will now see Muereka 2027. But as we speak today, on the method.
Direction. Asari. Araragira litangani.
End of next year, early 2026, we'll be able to see now political formations coming up.
Again, fact as rende Gen Z wale ko political chinchiroro on the table. Nchichi ko influence the next election.
They will. I believe the Gen Z have not thought about their tribalism and formulas. They had a very clear agenda. One thing I loved about them is the call for proper governance.
Yes.
And the fight, the fighting of corruption. Those were very genuine concerns. The only thing what I've got is the procedure now.
Excuse you.
To execute those demands.
Yes.
Because had they been very procedural now, they were executing those demands. Kango na tena na serikali amenyera to buwa nga to koreke.
Ntongo salikabire.
But now they did not know when to stop and when to push.
Okay.
A challenge but then their demands, they were very genuine. Because we need to be accountable to the people.
Okay.
The resources we are given are public resources. How do you use these public resources? There should be transparency. Resources public.
Yeah.
Because the office I hold today, it is not my office.
No.
In 2027, they can choose to take it. So this is a public office. You hold it in trust for the people. So therefore anything okora should reflect the will y'abantu
basi boitangare gose bali bakobikire tobi. Yes. Biamono kigima kira togendere gukwanira iga. Bono igusiga gatwaro rekanire to kiro mondahire guchia salu chini biame bingi ODM, UPA, ikiongere. Independent yole. Kiro mondahire guchia salu guchia. Ngwara ramna habia to ito ODM area egwe kengese, mugusita yo egwe chia na ono go chakaba ko mugabano itoka iga kobe kugari mno mo deputy party leader. No kobeteri tugo konya kohang ekiara usukuligereria abantu tukuligereria siasa na bokuligereria gochime kwaligereria naende genteke no ekebegiraria bintu mbire birenjira giteiga pono ga kinga itoroji gaki na itoroji ainoroji 2027 na ngosorekia magusingire kinaendo utagete goko
2027 namanya that God willing there is need for us normal community to have one vehicle to kunyara kwana sa voice.
Okay.
Karamo kwana za voice nkoba mole taken more serious as a community.
Yes.
Tinamanya but one kinje no mokemono we will expect
bali
but the direction where we are going, but there is need for us to have a political party na I'm happy na iwu mo senator itoka okwananga there is need for Kusi region but we are a political party ekobata shit ne region yeyu when you go to Bagain or the one for instance take the cabinet secretary very PSC very you Bagain as a region.
Okay. Ekingia to itasana ekiagaroroche
you realize ndo
omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugukwiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigireria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubirio yaitu yonsi chinsemero ngebere naye bono onye kendegia korekanire aseke nyorukiao ekiotagete utumanye asobwango mono abonda isi veke nambeye asesemiao enoti isano na ibere inya isatu isano nemo ibere isatu isano na isatu isano na ibere eyemo elioto akere n'abasaki baito baikasure na kubekora ubwoti ubwo asembeo emesa yamangana maya ya Ndizi TV nereyo kwabekire simu yawe ime omwanchu omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV mbiyemo sukoira chinsa chao na kurigereria television yao na mbegemo yomunwa bweke gusi bono onye kubwate nganende yonsi yukwe murungania woso komenta na bogo toikera ase gutwakire simi ase namba enotisano na ibere inya isato isano nemo ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo gose otorikere yukorike ase email ya ndiztvnews@gmail.com boigo na bugo tonyora ase mitandao yaito buna Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya Facebook, YouTube nigo togotoka buna Ndizi TV News na boigo TikTok nigo togotoka buna Ndizi TV News na bo ogututarira sichia bisichito ekyo kirebo cyobwe kiro ya embassy ekeroko genda nyakoe ase bara ekurwa kisi kogenda Kisumu. Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
Buya kigima mwanchu murigereria nigo twaenda kuraro serio gikigima muna arrogant biga igata bahlo mukwanie omogeni bweri ituko eliogiria ekonyolera nirense biamono kigima tell producer to increase biamono kokota bana you've been away in Pwani hope next time you will participate fully biamono kigima asenjira yugo tukwanira gochagaika emoroba yabona ono rende ntwakwana lirina mheshimiwa na igoriye byama na bibyato paka ntwacha kwa gukengese gito ngwa harabogere baro muna babwa to DM igo bae gwento kyabo usukurigere liboni ga omuntu kurukuna Moses Wetangula igaro monogeri bwe bunge asengeje kyama oyo kurukunga foreign affairs minister Mudavadi nigara alisengeje kyama osukuri yo muntu kuruku Amazon King igara ali sengenji apa taibo intubono gusi tango na Alfred Mutua nhoroje igona intu inumuna bara imogwento gusuguma tutwara kanyumba gaito nkaba kabe mono igo ose UPA go se nkereki gerede yonse elinde na into bera alia to nyora to iru gento tokoli.
It's very important to tware party region. Now the previously mheshimiwa na goka karna igo mheshimiwa Onyonga gotanga there is it is time bono mugusi go tware party.
Yes.
Hopefully they'll craft a way and what guidance on the way forward.
Ine to kwanye sana. Biamuno mheshimiwa twagosoiri kuruchinsa ibere chia kabete mpaka boniga ngana yawo yo mwali karondo chinsa cheto chiguna chiatamire sana.
Biamuno intende te ko brief nakira abantu abaso itangare biamuno se miake yagabange tegasi to kende ba and appreciate the fact they have been patient enough.
Yes.
Na bato the time to implement the project itwa ganeti. So mwako yoiga we've put in place ebintu biko chikokorwa and hopefully go chakara the month of November we will be able to see projects to county government chiko chaka kokorwa. Ambia ndingire chingakechi ngakere pole sebari basiri na bantu babo basabire morogomia
biamono kigimo mwanchu murigelia ko igure no mwishimi watebire bya kigima twaragosoire mangana ya magendero ko ruchinsa ibere iga igo twakorera gocha siasa cheigoro gaiga ekero chabeire chinsa to ko cheigoro igo bonondo chena isa chito cha elire tigana inde tokore iga jumamosi gocha mna nagotebeti into bwate keumbu mashinani togosoka twanda gokorera mu rubiri bwe keumbu ahalisiko igo bono na inde jumamosi gocha ninchi go communicate go kwana ngaitora bena boranyo to kwanda mashinani elinde to gokoro mu rubiri bwe keumbu kurwa isiko biamano kigima asoka bana into go ikana inde jumamosi gocha asomuru buri bwe keumbu biamano kigima nigo twarengena abi nyanchama na reproducer yo mu rubiri na boigo oyo kurwa Lydia Moses sense melia ya kabere yo kureta mangana magia senchira yo muno bwe biorokerero wikana inde weekend inchini gongoro kwa John Kibati biamano mheshimiwa biamano sana. Asante.